Good evening.
Yeah, let's start the session. We were discussing about the master data, right?
Yeah.
We have started with technical master data.
About
We have
connection
seen,
object.
yeah, connection object and
Yeah.
device location. Due to some issue, we could not
Yes.
create the connection object, correct? Usually, all these settings done by FI or PM guy. PM consultant will take care of all these settings. We have copied it. We should not get to this kind of issues. Hello, Manojit.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, hello.
I'll check. Yeah, I'll check it up. This one. Actually, yesterday, I've traveled from Ahmedabad to Hyderabad. I did not get time to check it. This one. Okay. Just now I came from the
Okay.
office. I'll check it up. After a connection object, we need to discuss about device location. For assigning the number ranges for connection object and device location is one and the same place. Like in structure level, here we will assign connection object and device location number ranges. If it is required internal or internal number range, we can assign. If you want to use only external number range, you can assign the only external number range. If you want to use both internal and external, don't give any input over here. That is only the thing.
Okay.
And come to device location. Configuration point of view, here also just it's like field selection parameters. They are like we have different options, like if you want to put it some fields as a required or some fields as a input, some fields as a display, we can maintain it over here. Okay, so let's just for example, you can maintain premise as a display. Let's save it. Basically, this device location where we install devices at the installation to the device. That location, that particular location is called device location. For creating a device location, the transaction is ES65. Okay. Let's go to ES65.
65.
Yeah, ES65. And we need to maintain the created connection object here. Okay, it's everything interlinked. In the premise level also, we will maintain the connection object. Someone has created, I am using the same thing. Okay, so just save it. If you use the plant 0001, we will not get any problem because we have copied the plant data, right? So basically what will happen is in the back end, all the settings need to be copied. If anything has not copied, then system will throw the errors continuously. Okay. So this is how you can create the device location. Then come to the premise. Premise, for example, if you take one apartment, entire apartment has a connection object. In apartment, we have different flats, like 20 to 30 flats. So each and every flat you can consider, you can map into the SAP as a premise.
Premise, yes.
Yeah. So in the premise level, we'll have one bedroom, one kitchen, one hall, right? So in the hall level, if you install a meter, okay, your hall will become a device location, which we have created just now. And then entire your hall, kitchen, bedroom, entire thing, it's considered as a premise. Now we'll see the premise configuration. Basically, here also field selection parameters are there, required, display, selection and all. Based on our requirement, we can map it. Whatever we want, we can put it this one. Okay. You can try, put some fields as a required entry, put some fields as a input. We can check it up. And then premise types. Now these premise types are basically it will be maintained at the premise level. Based on the premise type, we can identify what type of a premise is it. Like it's a residential premise, or it's a commercial, it's a apartment. What type of premise it is, we can identify it. This premise type we can maintain it in the premise level. Okay. For creating a premise, the transaction code is ES60.
ES60, yes.
Correct. Just go to ES60. Okay, I'm taking the same connection object and premise type. So it's a single family home or multi family home, whatever it is. Just select one. Whatever the premise type, you can map it. Yes, in ISU level, it's a very big topic, owner allocation. Usually, this is the field we can allocate a owner at the premise level. For example, one particular person have 10 to 15 houses. He can give the 10 to 15 houses for rent purpose, right? So usually premise occupied business partner it may be different, but the owner is different. Your rental bills, I mean your consumption bills, it will go to your owner only. Some cases it may go to that tenants. The tenants will pay the amount to the company. So most of the cases, what will happen? Main bill it goes to the owner. So owner will pay the amount for this. Owner will pay the amount. It's based on the requirement and based on the scenario. If the owner he collects the money and pays to the company, in ISU we have one scenario, collective billing. Collective billing, basically what will happen in collective billing cases, one parent contract will be created and one child contract, I mean a number of child contracts can be created. So this parent contract account, sorry not contract account, this parent contract account can be maintained in the child contract account level. Okay, so at the time of billing, billing and invoicing everything will happen, but while posting the amount to FICA, child level it will be like statistical posting, but amounts and everything will be included in the parent invoice only. For that we'll use the transaction year 10 underscore COLL. At the time of collective billing concept, we'll discuss that one. Okay.
Okay.
So here is the place you can assign the owner. And save it. Okay, this is how you can create the premise. Now installation. Here so many options are there. At the time of that concept we can discuss about it. There is a concept in utilities, installation groupings. Okay, so two installations will be involved, primary installation and secondary installation. In installation groupings also two concepts are there, distribution relevant and consumption relevant. That time we'll discuss about that one, that topic. Now we'll see the only installation creation. Just go here, assign the number ranges for this. It's a internal number range assign. If you want external, just go to the interval 0 to assign AA to ZZZ. And then save it. This is the way you can assign external number ranges. And then field selection. Here also we have required entries, display, and height. So many fields you can map into the as per requirement. If you want to put it required entries, you can put it. No, just for testing purpose, what I'll do, there will be one industry Industry I will put as a display, then we'll see. And then installation types. These installation types we can maintain it in the installation header level. These are the installation types are existing. If you want to new installation types, just go to the new entries and create your own installation type. Save it. And then that's all related to installation. Remaining notes we'll discuss it at the time of installation groupings concept. Okay, after building we will do that. So now just go to the installation creation. Yes, 30. It's a key date. You need to give the key date for this. Okay, key date is nothing but your valid date. Yeah. From this date onwards, this installation is valid. That's the reason we need to give it that. We have created division as 20. You can give it that. And the premise we have created, right? So this premise
7 lakh 1.
Yeah, this is the premise. Basically, installation is a logical entity. It specific to the premise. Just blindly remember this. Always, it's a premise. Installation is a premise specific. For one premise can have multiple n number of installations, but one installation have only one premise. Okay. The relation between premise to installation is premise to installation. It's one to many. Whereas if you look into the installation to premise, it's one to one. Okay, because what I'm trying to say, installation level only one premise can be maintained. Whereas in premise level, same premise you can use it for another installation creation also. Okay, I'll show you. And then billing class. This is the billing class. We need to assign it here. I'm using 0001. Date category. At the time of billing discussion, I'll explain you that one. Billing class and date category. Everything. Not created. I'll create one dummy rate category now. Meter reading units also we have created as a Tata, right?
Yes.
Hello. Yeah,
Yeah.
that
Hello.
time
Yes.
when we were discussing about schedule master, parameter
Mm-hmm.
record portion and MRU, that time we have created everything as a Tata. Okay, so this is how we need to maintain it. So
Mm-hmm.
it's a time dependent data. Okay, it's a
Mm-hmm.
specific to the premise. It's a premise header is nothing but your EANL, and time
Mm-hmm.
dependent data is a EANLH as a table.
Yes.
And then in EANLH you can get billing class, rate category, and as well as MRU.
Mm-hmm.
And no, if your project have installation grouping concepts, here
Mm-hmm.
your primary installation and installation rule and grouping type also it will be there. So
Okay.
that at the time of concept I will discuss that one. And then
Okay.
we have installation type. So what type of installations it will provide. So we have created Tata, so it will show as a Tata installation. After creating this, and then you just save it. Okay, so if you go to the display, see here is the place you can assign your facts. If any facts are existing,
Mm-hmm.
actually we have not created exact rate and schema, just for testing purpose for
Mm-hmm.
using. I've created one dummy rate category, so I've used it. When you create actual
Mm-hmm.
rate, so you'll get the facts values, you can assign it here. And when you install a device to the installation, this particular tab will be activated. So if you click on the tab, then you can see the device details. And then if you go to the billing periods, here is the place you can see entire data related to your business partner when moving happens. Your business partner, your technical data and business data, everything you can see except your FICA data, FI data. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Here is the place if you create the invoice, you can see it here. What is your, if any open billing orders are there, you can see, and MR result, everything you can view it over here in a billing period tab level. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so this is about the installation. If you do any master data activity in ISU, it will be
Mm-hmm.
100% will be linked to your installation. When you do
Yes.
the RTP interface and everything, no? So if you click on this one, your roles you can see. Based on the roles, you can see the profile values.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, parameters, everything it will be attached. So here is the place you can see. Actually, we have not done it. That time you can view all these things.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is about the installation. You have any questions
No, it's fine.
till technical? Actually, technical data it's completed except
Mm-hmm.
device. The
Mm-hmm.
device we will create. Now we'll see the business master data. Okay. See, till here it's a technical master data. We have another master data, it's a business master data. Basically, this business master data consists of business partner, contract account, and contract.
The contract.
Now, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So now we'll see the business master data configuration. Shit. This business master data, basically CS consultant or CRM consultant will be configured. Okay, so billing and invoicing and DM consultant may not involve in this. So for just for your knowledge, try to understand where we will create it and all. Okay, so cross application component is the path. If you want to remember, you can note it down. See, cross application component, and then SAP business partner, basic settings. Here is the place we need to define our number ranges and assign it to the business partner groups.
Okay.
Okay, I'll show you. For creating a business partner, we'll be using the transaction FPP1.
FPP1.
Remember this. Yeah. In ISU business, for creating a business partner, we use FPP1. That is the transaction. Okay, it's a standard transaction. Some companies, I mean, some clients, they may use Y transactions. That's a different thing. But here is the place we need to use FPP1 transaction. Okay, so here we have different options, BP role and grouping, okay, and validity period. These are the three options we have. Basically, BP role in ISU level, we will create always 100% BP role as a contract partner, MKK contract partner. Okay. Remember this. And grouping, basically for we'll create a BP groups and we'll assign the number ranges for the groups, so that at the time of BP creations we'll use the same number ranges and we'll create the business partners. That's the thing. Okay. Now I think already we are there. So just we can assign the define the number ranges here. Go to the interval. So already they have defined it, so we can use the same number ranges. Just to if you want to create internal number range, don't check this box. If you want to create external number range, then check this box. That's all. And then here is the place we'll define the number ranges, and go to the groups. Here we can assign the number ranges to groups. Okay. So we say internal number ranges, somebody might have assigned it, so system automatically will propose the number.
Okay.
If you want to create an external number range, then create a group and assign the number ranges to that external number range, so that you need to select it. For example, while creating a person, we have different options at in group level, like agriculture, farming customers, and general group, internal assignment, like this. If you select the business customers, let's say business customers, if you check the over here, you can find out the business customers. So 0, 1, that is the number range it's been assigning. So it will take the 0, 1 number ranges for this, for the business customers. Okay, it will be like that. And then BP types, business partner types, we can define it, and we can assign it at in the business partner level. It determines basically what type of business partner you are creating. If it is an employee, is a manager or employee or residential customers or commercial customer, or what type of employee or what type of a business partner you are going to be creating using the transaction of PP1. Basically, business partner is a person or legal entity who involves into that particular business. It's called business partner, right? So what type of business is sometimes a business partner may be a competitor. Okay, so everything you can map it over here. Okay, and then field groupings is also same kind of thing. If you want to hide any fields, you can hide it over here. Contract partner. Click on this here, you can find out what are the fields if you want to put it hide or display or options, anything you can select it over here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Basically this configuration done by CRM or CS consultant. You will be not involving into this. Okay, just for your knowledge I am explaining you. And then we have identification numbers. If you want to create any identification types or something, PAN card identification or something, you can create it here. Okay, so somebody has created ID card. This is the ID type they have given. Passport, this is the ID type they have given. Like the same way, just go to the new entries. You can give your own data. Like for example, PAN card, PAN card person. Save it. So at the time of BP creation, it will ask you if it is if you put it as a required entry, you can enter the PAN card as a your identification type. This is about the business partner. Now we'll see. I mean business partner configuration. Here is the place we'll configure it. Now we'll see the business partner creation. For creating a business partner, the transaction will be /n FPP1. Okay. No, if it is possible, note it down someplace. Like for creating a business partner.
I'm noting.
Okay. For creating a business partner, it's FPP1. For creating a contract account, it's a CA1. Yeah. Connection object, it's a ES55. Premise ES60.
Right.
Device location ES65. Installation ES30. And for creating a device IQ01. For that, we need to do MM process and as well as PM processes. After that, we can create the device for that. Okay. So, I want to take internal number range. And then you can give here name, and here is the place you can give the address, and then postal code, and then country India, and region 25. Okay, so here is the place you can maintain entire data, communication data, telephone numbers, faxes, mobile phones, or emails, everything you can maintain here. And then address overview. If you want to maintain standard address or communication address, 2-3 addresses you can maintain it at an BP level. So these are the things you can configure it. Okay. And then identification. For example, we have created as a ID card, PAN card, right? So that one, if you want to maintain as a PAN card, ID type, just assign the ID type and maintain the PAN number. Just maintain some PAN number. And then controls. In the controls, BP type is important. What type of business partner he is, here you can maintain it. Like he's an employee or manager or a broker or residential customer. What type of business partner he is, it will be determined here. Okay. And then payment transactions. For payment transactions, bank keys, bank details basically. You can maintain, bank ID and bank number, account number, everything. Particularly in UK customers, what will happen? There will be one payment method, DD, direct debit. So every month one badge up will be executed. Every month 15th or 20th or something. So whatever the dues are there for that particular business partner, so all the dues it will be collected from the bank. Okay, so for that you can maintain the bank details here and then save it. It's asking the surname. Have you got the server access? Hello, Manojit? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, I am. I have. Yes.
Acha, you got the server access, right? Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, Manojit, tell me. I could not hear you properly, what you are saying. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, Manojit.
Hello.
Hello? Yeah, am I
Yes.
audible? Yeah, actually,
Yes, you're audible.
tomorrow I may not take the class because I'm going out
Okay.
actually. Okay,
Okay.
so day after from Friday onwards we'll continue.
Okay.
Okay, so from Friday no problem at any time. Actually I'm working from home, so anytime I'm available 24 hours. If you are
Okay.
free, then we can sit for 2-3 hours also per day.
Yes. It would be good.
Yeah. Uh, I mean, are you available in the morning hours, like office
Yes.
hours
Yeah.
between
Like.
10 to
Yeah.
10 to 6 o'clock or something?
No. If early in the morning, it would be good. Like 8 to 11, like that.
Okay, 8 to 11. Around 8 to 11, is it okay for you? Okay then.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll try to meet between 9 to 10 o'clock 1 hour and night at same time, 9 to 10 or something. Okay,
Okay.
we'll plan it like
Okay.
that.
Okay.
So
Okay.
every day 2
Okay.
hours, we'll complete the classes. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Manojit. Thanks. Bye. You have any questions? Hello?
Okay.
Hello?
Uh, uh,
I could not hear you what you were saying exactly. Your voice is not audible.
go for yeah. It's fine.
Okay.
Hello. It's fine. I think it's fine. Hello.
Okay, yeah, Manojit, I got it. Yeah. If you have any doubts or anything, you can call me. My number is 7874532856. When you practice, if you get some errors or something, you can call me, or else mail me. Uh, or else we can discuss it in the class hours also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
The organizer has ended the session.